All right, so we just rolled up our cooked sausage links in our crescents, and I'm gonna go ahead and bring in my 9x13 that I greased, and we're gonna go ahead and place our sausage links vertically into our greased pan. I'm gonna make one more row. I'm instantly gonna bring in some diced bell peppers. I'm using bell peppers, but you can use whatever veggie you like for this super easy one pan breakfast. I'm gonna use that whole container of our tricolor bell peppers, get that nice and spread out on top of our crescents. And of course, the next thing we're gonna bring in is some cheese. I'm using some Colby Jack because this is what I had in my fridge, but you can use whatever cheese you like. It's super customizable, super delicious, and super easy to make for a Sunday brunch, great for an Easter brunch, great for honestly any morning when you want to serve a crowd. And I think we're gonna add, I think that was about a cup of cheese, and we're just gonna make sure that's spread out just like so. All right, I'm gonna move that to the side and bring over my dozen eggs that I pre-cracked. And into our eggs, I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. This is gonna make them nice and fluffy and delicious, almost like a quiche. And I added about half a cup to our dozen eggs. Now I'm gonna season this super quick with some black pepper. And just like with the cheese and the veggies, you can customize your seasonings to your liking. You guys already know I'm gonna do some garlic powder because I love garlic in anything. And then the last seasoning I'm gonna use, which is my favorite for eggs, some smoked paprika. Oh yeah, and we're gonna make sure to scramble these up, and this is gonna go beautifully with our sausages. So grab a whisk, and we're gonna make sure to whisk this all together, make sure all those yolks get scrambled. Delicious. I absolutely love making this when my family comes into town. It's so easy, so quick, and you just pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes, and then you have a breakfast that will feed 10 people, which is not an easy thing to do nowadays. All right, now this looks beautifully whisked together. We're gonna bring back our 9x13, and you guys know it, we're gonna drizzle our egg mixture right on top. Oh, and that just fills the pan so perfectly. Now, one last finishing touch. I have some freeze-dried chives that I'm gonna sprinkle on top. I just think the greenery adds a great color, makes your breakfast even more appetizing. All right, but this is ready. And like I said, this is gonna be in the oven for 45 minutes at 350. Oh my, it smells so good in my house right now. Look how beautiful this cooked up. I'm so excited to try a piece. Just gonna get our spatula and cut right into it. Remember, I greased that pan, so this is gonna come out super easy. Oh, look at that. Oh, and you can see the sausage right here. Looks so delicious. I smell the peppers, I smell the eggs, I smell the cheese, the chives. I cannot wait to dig in. Oh, and that crescent is perfectly cooked. That is incredible. Oh my gosh, you have to try it.